And then
All right, so what we got here is a menu 23 United States MRE Department of Defense chicken with pasta and pesto sauce. It's a peelable seal, so I guess I'll peel it. And what we have here is another package that I get to open. So we have our chicken and pesto pasta sauce. Patriot sugar cookies. And apple turnover. Our accessory pack, which we will check out in a minute. Italian breadsticks, because what doesn't go with chicken pasta pesto than Italian breadsticks. We have fruit punch, carbohydrate electrolyte beverage powder, cheese spread, good, and then a spoon. Then our FRH and a hot beverage bag. And as far as the accessory pack goes, coffee instant type 3, sugar, matches, spearmint gum, creamer, a moist towelette. It's moist. Nobody likes the word moist. And iodized salt. And more shit tickets, toilet paper, napkins, what have you. Our chicken pesto and pasta. Got our flameless ration heater. Go ahead and stick this in here. What else do I want? The breadsticks. Italian breadsticks. Who doesn't like warm bread? I like warm bread. Date code on this, oh my god, 2012, the 326th day of 2012. That was 7 years ago. I mean, this ain't no 40-year-old ration like some other people eat. So I probably shouldn't get sick, but good grief. 12 years old's a bit long. So we'll add some water. And I don't have a rock or something, so I'll use this. And then we'll just see what happens. See you in a few. What we have here is a Tecate. Tecate is a beer made in Mexico. Tecate is to be drank only one way. And that way consists of taking a lemon and squeezing its contents onto the lid of the beer, and then taking some salt and pouring the contents of the salt container onto the lid. And then you open the beer and then you drink it. All right, well, our chicken and pesto pasta is done. Milk it down. We got our breadsticks. Breadsticks smell good. Got my cheese spread. Oh my god, that looks like dog vomit. Look at that separation. That is amazing. Alright, we'll see what happens here. So we have that. And then we have this. Okay, so we got the little tear notch that runs this way, so we'll move our food down this way. And we'll tear it open, and oh my god, it looks more like... I mean, I've seen vomit before, and that almost looks like vomit. I don't know how it tastes, so let's give it a go. Chicken and pesto pasta. Looks good. Looks good, smells good, is good. I am pleasantly surprised by the flavor profile of this processed chicken. It is not bad. It beats beans and weenies for sure. You know what would make this better? Is Tabasco. And I don't have any, sadly. But the flavor profile in of itself is not bad. Now, why does cheese look like this? I don't know. That's government cheese. Holy Jesus, look at that goop. The bread is good. I can taste the bread. The bread is satisfactory. But the cheese... the cheese tastes like a sour armpit.
What the fuck does that sound? It's like...
Wow.
How the hell you know what that tastes like?
I don't know what a sour armpit tastes like. It's purely a guess. Wow.
That's good.
I'll go back to the chicken and pesto pasta with the cheese bits on my fingers. I'm actually pleasantly surprised by this flavor. It's pretty good. Tabasco would make it better though. There's a lot of chicken in there too. For 7-year-old chicken and pesto, or chicken and pesto pasta, not bad. A 7-year-old chicken I'm eating. It's a medical marvel. Good stuff. Let me try this again. Oh, Jesus. Is it supposed to look like that? I don't know. I'm sure originally it was not. But now it does. Oh my God. Have you ever seen a festering boil? I think that this is what a festering boil tastes like. The bread in of itself is good, however the cheese in its clumpy, separated state is reminiscent of pus extruded from a boil. I mean, I've never tasted pus from a boil, but I would imagine that's what it tastes like. I made a hell of a mess here. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next one.